What's the meaning of curl? Curl. Curl.
Curl. Curl. Curl is a command line tool used for transferring data to or from a server. It is primarily used for testing websites and APIs, and can perform functions such as downloading files, making HTTP requests, and sending emails. When executed, curl retrieves the requested data and displays it in the terminal window. The tool is highly versatile and supports many protocols, including HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, and more. Curl is widely used by web developers and system administrators for troubleshooting and automation tasks.